Hey everyone! Welcome to a thrilling journey into the world of DIY biohacking. I'm here to introduce you to BioHacksphere, a groundbreaking community where science meets do-it-yourself innovation. Biohacking might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very real and it's growing every day. It's all about optimizing human performance, health, and well-being through strategic interventions. And guess what? You don't need a fancy lab to get started. At BioHacksphere, we're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in our homes and garages. This community is not just about sharing knowledge, but also about collaborative experimentation and real-world application. Whether you're a seasoned scientist or a curious newcomer, there's a place for you here. Now let's talk about what makes BioHacksphere truly unique. It's not just a forum, it's a hub for innovation, encompassing forums, project logs, direct mentorship from experts, and even live workshops. Imagine tweaking your diet based on your genetic makeup, or creating custom supplements to enhance your cognitive function. These are just a few of the projects our members are working on. Joining BioHacksphere means you're not just observing from the sidelines, you're contributing to a revolution in health and science. You're part of a community that values open source knowledge and collective progress. So, how can you get involved? It's easy. Start by visiting biohacksphere.com. Dive into the forums, check out the latest projects, and when you're ready, share your own experiments. The community thrives on fresh ideas and new perspectives. In BioHacksphere, every question you ask and every project you share helps us all grow. Together, we can demystify the human body and enhance our lives in ways we've only dreamed of. So are you ready to join the revolution? Explore the future of DIY biohacking with us at BioHacksphere. Let's unlock the true potential of personal and community-driven science. See you there.